Most people know at least two languages, one being English and the other their native language if they are outside the US or Britain. But what if I tell you that this very simple skill, which you might have thought useless at first, could earn you thousands of dollars every month? Would you believe me? Most probably not. But today, I will prove to you this. I will walk you through all the steps you need to take to start earning using today's website. I will also show you the evidence of money paid out in case you think that all this is a scam. So, let's start the video and learn how to earn decent money with minimum effort. The good thing is that this method has no limitations on how much you earn by repeating it over and over again. But before we start the process itself, please consider subscribing to the channel so you don't miss any future videos. Also, don't close or skip any part of the video as doing this will lead to problems in understanding the concept. The site we will be using today is latium.org. It will be linked in the description for you. It is a freelancing site and you can earn money through it in countless ways. It has more than 1 million registered users. Once you start using the site, you are more than welcome to do anything you want. But if you don't have prior knowledge of any specific services offered on the site, there's not much you can do except sell the service that we will show you in this video. It is a very easy task, and anyone who knows a little English and how to operate computers can certainly do it. We will focus on earning money doing translations specifically. To use this site and start earning, the first step is the simple sign-up process. It is completely free and has no hidden charges. It is very easy and only requires you to enter some details like your name, email, and password, which should not take more than 2 minutes. After this is out of the way, your account is now registered on their site. When the account becomes verified, you can register yourself as a buyer if you want to buy services or get projects done by other people. Or you can become a seller and do work in exchange for money offered by the buyers. On the Browse Projects page, you can see all the available projects you can do. You can filter the projects by clicking on the translation and language given at the top. You can use this feature to see only the translation jobs. All other jobs will be hidden. From here, you can view all the available translation projects and explore every single one of them in detail. These are the tasks that buyers want you to perform and will pay you for it. The price is mentioned on each buyer's request. There is also a description that tells you what exactly you are required to do to complete the job. You can easily find your language of interest there, and if you feel like the offered amount is good, you can bid on the project. In case your bid gets accepted by the buyer, which happens most of the time, the project starts and so does your countdown to delivering the order. Now, don't be worried if you don't know how to translate just yet. I will show you a very efficient way of doing the work, which will not only save you the effort of thinking, but also the time to write will also be diminished. We're going to use an online tool to do the work for us. This tool is very well known. It is the Google Translate. It has numerous languages built in. Any language you throw into this gets converted to your desired language. There is a chance of some errors, but it is negligible. That is why it is trusted by most people and is being used worldwide. Now, how are we gonna use it to our advantage, you might ask? Well, it is very simple. You just choose a project you like and open up the content that needs to be translated. If it is some lines, you can do it yourself manually. But if you have the time or don't feel like doing it yourself, you can simply just copy-paste the given text into the Google Translator. You can get it from the App Store, and it is also available online for free. You can type Google Translate into the web search box, and 2 big boxes appear on the screen. You simply paste the chunks of copied text into the left box, and their translation will appear in the right box. You can translate them one by one like this, or you can even put the whole text here, and it will be translated all at once, which is way more manageable and less time-consuming. Entire pages can be translated in a matter of seconds in this way. You don't even need to tell the language of the text you are putting in. Google Engine auto-detects it. You just have to put it in the language you want to translate into. Almost all the languages can be interconverted into each other using this method. So, you don't even need to know the language of the project. You just copy-paste it, and you are done. Once you do this easy conversion, you can copy all the translated text into a Word file and submit it. As soon as the client approves your delivery, you get paid instantly. You can get paid anywhere from $20 up to $1,000 for this easy and effortless task. The exact amount depends on the number of words that need to be translated and also other constraints like time. There is no limit to how much work you can do every day. If you are dedicated and willing to give your time to this job, the possibilities are endless. Also, a bonus when you use this site is that you can get paid in other currencies, including cryptocurrencies. Getting some of your earnings in Bitcoin, Ethereum, or other virtual coins is very beneficial as these earnings can appreciate just by being in your wallet. So, alongside working, you can also invest. No other site gives this benefit. Also, this site is open to users from the whole world and the payments also reach you no matter where you are. If you want to be paid in local currency, you still have the option of PayPal and bank transfers which are supported worldwide. The item is flexible and you can work on a project whenever you like. You can take long breaks or even months off if you feel like it and come back to where you left off. This is an advantage that no traditional job offers to its employees. Currently, not many people know about this profession, and this is a huge plus as you are likely to get more orders. You can also charge your clients more money as there is not much competition in this niche. So, what are you waiting for? Register yourself on this site right now for free and get paid close to $600 on a daily basis. Think about how much this could impact your lifestyle. We will leave a link to Latium and Google Translate in the description box below for you. Mobile-friendly Google Translate is also there in case you want to work from your phone, which many people find more comfortable. Now, we hope that all your concerns about this website are taken care of. Go ahead now to make an account on this website and start earning thousands of dollars on a daily basis. This brings us to the end of this video. If you liked the video, please do consider subscribing and sharing so we can keep bringing more content like this. Also, tell us your thoughts in the comments below. See you next time when we return with another video guaranteed to help you make money easily.